Assalamualaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. Dow Jones is trading at 34,770 after making low of 34,735. Dow Jones have crashed after US posted worse than expected unemployment claims. Currently Dow Jones is trying to recover from the lows. Currently it is trading in positive zone, but it will enter in weak zone once it breaks the support, and the support stands at 34,680. If market breaks 680 and manage to sustain below that level, then Dow Jones will enter in weak zone. After that it could test up to 34,600 and 34,500. Dow Jones resistance stands at 34,910. If Dow Jones break 910 and manage to sustain above that level, then Dow Jones will enter up to 35,050 and 35,200. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq hourly chart. Currently Nasdaq is trading 14,853 after making low around 14,841. Nasdaq is trading in positive zone just like Dow Jones. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. Nasdaq support stands at 14,780. If Nasdaq breaks 780 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Nasdaq to test up to 14,700 and 600. Resistance stands at 920. If Nasdaq break 920 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Nasdaq to test up to 15,100 and 15,200. Let's move on to S&P. Then we will go for gold prices. This is S&P chart. S&P is trading 43.58. It is also trading near lowest point of the day. However, S&P support stands at 43.48. If S&P break 43.48 and manage to sustain below that level, then S&P would enter in weak zone. Afterwards, it could test up to 43.20 and even 4300 is possible. Resistance stands at 43.90. If S&P break 43.90 and manage to sustain above that level, then S&P would enter in positive zone. Afterward, it could test up to 44.10 and 44.30. Let's move on to gold prices. This is gold chart. Gold tried to recover after worse than expected unemployment claims and made high around 1806. Gold resistance stands at 1808 now. If gold break 1808 and manage to sustain above that level, then gold will enter in positive zone. Afterwards, it could test up to 1820 and 1830. Support, however, stands at 1788. If gold breaks 1788 and manage to sustain below that level, then gold will enter in weak zone. In fact, gold is already in weak zone below 1788, expecting fresh selling in gold up to 1780 and even 1770 is possible. Let's move on to crude oil prices. This is crude oil chart. It made high around $71.16. Currently it is trading $70.30. It is still trading in positive zone because it have not broken the support of 69.50. If market breaks 69.50 and manage to sustain below that level, then crude oil will enter in weak zone. Afterward, it could test up to $68 and $67 is also possible. Resistance, however, stands at $72.10. Above that, expect more buying up to $74. Let's move on to euro. Then we will see British pound. This is euro chart. As soon as data came, dollar index plunged even more, and the euro have bumped up. Euro is currently trading 1809, trading almost at the highest point of the day. This is the high for today, 1813, and currently it is trading 1810. Euro have entered in positive zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Resistance stands at 1840 and the support stands at 1750. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if euro breaks 1750 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect euro to test up to 1700. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound, currently trading 37.73 after making high of 37.80. This is the high made today. Currently it is also trading in positive zone, and the British pound support stands at 3700. If market break 3700, then only it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise expecting more higher levels, and the resistance stands at 3820. Let's move on to cryptocurrencies before concluding this video. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently it is trading 32,000. Interestingly, it made high of 32,380 today and currently trading 32,190, 170. It is still trading in positive zone because the support stands at $31,200. If market break $31,200 and manage to sustain below that level, then it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise it is looking positive, and the resistance stands at 33,500. If Bitcoin break 33,500, then expect more buying in Bitcoin up to 36,000. Let's move on to Ethereum. This is Ethereum chart. Currently comfortably trading above 2000, but the high is 2050 today. Interestingly, it is still trading in positive zone because the support stands at $1890. The support is pretty wide because Ethereum range has become pretty wide. So if Ethereum break 1890 and manage to sustain below that level, then only it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise it is positive. Resistance at 2060. If market break 2060, then only it will enter in pause. Then expect more buying in Ethereum up to 21 and 2200. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. If you want regular update, consider subscribing by pressing the red subscribe button. I will see you tomorrow, same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.